Shit, fucking fingertips.
Clean slices, no blood. My guess is he drained the body entirely before these cuts were made.
How do you do that? Some kind of pump?
No. I had forensics do a workup on our last victim. Our guy's old school.
Yeah, he hoists the body up, severs the jugular, the heart does all the work. It's the most effective method, really.
Fucking butcher.
There are 206 bones in the human body. He could have left any one of them. But he gave us exactly what we need to identify the victim. Like he's leaving a trail of breadcrumbs.